Hi, today I'm going to do a quick video on how I mix my epoxy. I have a cup labeled A and a cup labeled B. So taking my A and I measure. For what I'm doing today, I'll need 12.5 milliliters. So there's A. And there's a fly in here and it's bugging me. 12.5 for B. Now my epoxy is my B is a little brownish, orange, whatever you want to call it, or yellow. That's because it's not fresh. It'll still work. So if that happens to you, no worries. Now, since I have mixed these, I theoretically could go away and do the laundry or go buy groceries. I could leave these sitting here forever if I wanted to. So I take a third cup, just a disposable cup, and I pour my A in it. Again, I haven't mixed anything yet, so still no worry about time or anything. But this fly is bugging me. And here is the B going in now. So now we've mixed it. And because I never mixed them in these measuring cups, I can reuse them next time. Just as long as I never put A and B or B and A. So now I just stir gently until it's ready. Thank you for watching.